Let's continue. Practice problem number 13. The school gym floor is 15 meters wide and 15 meters long. Compute its area. So we're given the width 15 meters, length 25 meters. So required the area. So the solution, area A is equals to length times the width. So substitute the data, the final answer is 375 meters squared. Practice problem number 14. Measure a square floor tile and calculate how many tiles are needed to cover a classroom floor with dimensions 6 meters by 4 meters. So we are given floor 6 times 4, so which is a 24 meters squared. Tile is a square with side S. So our sample, S is equals to 0.4 meter. And then required the number of tiles and our solution, our tile area for our sample is S squared, which is equals to 0.4 meters squared. And the answer for the area of the tile is 0.16 meters squared. So the number of tiles needed, capital letter N, is equal to 20 over 0.16, and that is equal to 150. So the final answer, 150 tiles. And then use your measured tile size. In our sample, our tile size, the side of the square is 0.4 meter. Practice problem number 15. Your bedroom floor is 4 meters by 5 meters. Estimate how many 1 meter squared mods are needed to cover it. So we're given a room 4 by 5. So its area is the product of 4 and the 5, which is 20 meters squared. And the area of the mat is 1 meter squared. So required the number of mats. So our solution, the number of mat is equal to 20 meters squared over 1 meter squared per mat. So the answer is 20 mats. The final answer, 20 mats. Practice problem number 16. A shirt requires 1.5 meters of fabric. Estimate how many shirts can be made from 10 meters of fabric. So we're given a total of 10 meters, and then per shirt, we need 1.5 meters. So we are required the number of shirts. So solution, 10 over 5 is equals to 6.6. And 6 full, we have approximately 6 full shirts. And then there is a leftover of 10 minus 6 times 1.5, 1 meter. So the final answer is 6 full shirts, and there is a leftover of 1 meter. Number 17. Measure how much cloth in meters you need to make 4 pillowcases if each requires 0.6 meters. Required 4 pillowcases, and then each needs 0.6 meter. So the total cloth that you need is the one that is required. So solution, 4 pillowcase times 0.6 meter per pillowcase. So cancel the pillowcase. So our solution is our final answer is 2.5 2.4 meters of cloth is needed to make 4 pillowcases. Practice problem number 18. A dress requires 3 meters of fabric. If you have 15 meters of fabric, how many dresses can be made? So total, given 15 meters. Per dress, you need 3 meters. Required number of dresses. So our solution, 15 meters over 3 meters per dress. So equal to 5. And the final answer is 5 dresses. Practice problem number 19. A seamstress has 20 meters of cloth. She uses 2.5 meters for each pair of pants. Estimate how many pants can be sewn. So a total of 20 meters. So per pants is 2.5. And the number of pairs of pants that can be sewn. So solution, 20 meters divided by 2.5 meters per pants. So the 8. So final answer, 8 pairs of pants. Practice problem number 3. Measure a piece of cloth and calculate if it is enough to sew 3 skirts, each requiring 1.2 meters. So required 3 times 1.2, 3.6 meters. And then our cloth sample is 4 meters. So required, sufficiency, and leftover. So a solution, 4 meters minus 3.6, there is a leftover of 0.4. So, final answer, yes, enough. With 0.4 meter left over. And then in this calculation, use your measured uh, cloth length. Let's go now to the MCQ of this quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson number Roman numeral number 4, estimating and measuring lengths and distances in practical situations. MCQ number 1. Which of the following is the most reasonable estimate for the length of a standard classroom chalkboard? A. 50 centimeters. B. 1 meter. C. 3 meters. D. 10 meters. Number 2. Without using a ruler, the best way to estimate the width of a notebook is by comparing it to the width of your palm. B. The length of a pencil. C. The height of a chair. D. The length of a classroom door. Number 3. A teacher's desk is about 1.5 meters long. About how many such desks placed end-to-end will cover a 9-meter wall? Letter A, 4. Letter B, 6. Letter C, 8. Letter D, 12. MCQ number 4. The best estimate for the height of a standard classroom door is A. 0.5 meter, B. 1 meter, C. 2 meters, D. 5 meters. Number 5. A table is 2 meters long. How many 30-centimeter rulers are needed to equal this length? Letter A, 5 meters. B, 6 meters. C. 7 meters. D. 8 number of rulers. Letter A, 5 rulers. Letter B, 6 rulers. C, 7 rulers. D, 8 rulers. MCQ number 6. Which tool is most appropriate to measure the length of your notebook? A. Thermometer. B. Ruler. C. Protractor. D. Stopwatch. MCQ number 7. If your classroom window measures about 120 centimeters, what is its length in meters? Letter A, 0.12 meter. B, 1.2 meters. C, 12 meters. D, 120 meters. MCQ number 8. A classroom is 8 meters long and 6 meters wide. What is its perimeter? A. 14 meters. B. 28 meters. C. 40 meters. D. 48 meters. MCQ number 9. Your estimate of the chalkboard width was 1.2 meter, but the actual measurement is 1.1 meters. What is the error in your estimate? A. 0.01. B. 0.05 meter. C. 0.1 meter. D. 1 meter. MCQ number 10. A classroom door is measured to be 2.05 meters high. This is closest to which reasonable estimate. A. 1.0 meter. B. 1.5 meters. C. 2.0 meters. D. 3.0 meters. MCQ number 11. A classroom measures 8 meters long and 6 meters wide. What is its floor area? Letter A, 14 meters squared. B, 28 meters squared. C, 40 meters squared. D, 48 meters squared. MCQ number 12. A rectangular rug measures 2 meters by 3 meters. How much floor space does it cover? A. 2 meters squared. B. 3 meters squared. C. 5 meters squared. D. 6 meters squared. Number 13. The school gym is 15 meters wide and 25 meters long. What is its area? A. 150 meters squared. B. 250 meters squared. C. 375 meters squared. D. 450 meters squared. Number 14. A square floor tile measures 0.4 meter on each side. How many tiles are needed to cover a 6 meter by 4 meter floor? Letter A, 50 tiles. Letter B, 100 tiles. Letter C, 150 tiles. Letter D, 200 tiles. MCQ number 15. Your bedroom floor is 4 meters by 5 meters. How many 1 meter squared mats are needed to cover it? A. 9. B. 10. C. 15. D. 20. We will have the next part of this lesson, Quarter 3, Measurement and Geometry, Lesson Roman numeral number 4.